Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into today's topic on scheduling and performing the first maintenance service for your car, I want to introduce you to something special. If you're passionate about car ownership or looking to become more knowledgeable, check out our Ultimate Car Ownership Guide. This comprehensive guide covers everything from the pre-purchase phase, maintenance, ongoing ownership, and even the end of car ownership. It's your all-in-one resource to mastering car ownership. Click the link in the description for more information. Now, let's get started on today's topic. So, you've just driven your new car off the lot. Congratulations! Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of ensuring its longevity: the first maintenance service. This initial checkup is crucial for keeping your car in top shape and ensuring that any potential issues are caught early. Most manufacturers recommend scheduling the first maintenance service around 3,000 to 5,000 miles or after 3 to 6 months, whichever comes first. This can vary depending on the make and model of your car, so it's essential to check your owner's manual for specific guidelines. In the owner's manual, you'll find detailed information on the recommended service intervals. These guidelines are designed to keep your vehicle running efficiently and to prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. What's typically included in the first maintenance? 1. Oil and filter change. The most common service performed during the first maintenance is an oil and filter change. Fresh oil ensures that your engine runs smoothly and reduces wear on its components. 2. Fluid level checks. Technicians will check and top off all essential fluids, including brake fluid, coolant, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. 3. Tire inspection and rotation. Properly maintained tires are crucial for safety and efficiency. During the first maintenance, your tires will be inspected for wear and tear, and they may be rotated to ensure even wear. 4. Brake inspection. Your brakes are vital for your safety. An inspection will ensure that your brake pads, rotors, and other components are in good condition. 5. Battery check. The battery will be tested to ensure it's holding a charge and functioning correctly. 6. General inspection. A thorough inspection of various parts of your vehicle, including belts, hoses, and the exhaust system, helps identify any potential issues early on. When you take your car in for its first maintenance, it's also a good idea to understand what is covered under your warranty. Most new cars come with a manufacturer's warranty that covers certain repairs and replacements for a specified period or mileage. Here are some different warranties and what they cover. 1. Basic warranty. Often referred to as the bumper-to-bumper warranty. It typically covers most components of the car, excluding wear and tear items like brakes and tires. 2. Powertrain warranty. This covers the engine, transmission, and other components that deliver power to the wheels. It usually lasts longer than the basic warranty. 3. Corrosion warranty. Also known as rust warranty. It covers rust damage to the car's sheet metal. 4. Roadside assistance. Many new cars come with a roadside assistance package that can be a lifesaver in case of a breakdown. Always read through your warranty documents to understand what is and isn't covered. Keep records of all maintenance services performed on your vehicle, as these may be required if you need to make a warranty claim. Properly scheduling and performing the first maintenance service is key to keeping your new car running smoothly and ensuring a long lifespan. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines, and don't hesitate to ask your service technician any questions you may have. And remember, for a deeper dive into everything car-related, from buying to maintaining and eventually selling your car, check out our Ultimate Car Ownership Guide. It's packed with valuable insights and practical advice to make your car ownership journey as smooth as possible. Link for the guide is in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tips and guides on car ownership. Safe driving.